it's Dak here, and today we're gonna do random. So what Python can do is, if you give it a list and do a special command, it can do is it can get any one variable out of the list and present it to you. This might sound really boring, but it can be really useful in many ways. Like this one, which is a password picker. So this video is gonna be how to create a password picker using random. So first, what you're gonna do is you're gonna import these two things. Import random and and the same thing, but it's gonna shaman and import string. So after these two, what you're gonna do is you are going to write it's just an introduction to what you're gonna do on later, like this is a password picker. You're gonna get a password in 3 2 1 go, a thing like that, using print command. It's in my previous video, you should watch that if you want to. So you're gonna write print and then this thing, and then you're gonna write this is a password maker, and then you can just top it off. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna create the two lists I was talking about. So these two lists are gonna be adjective and noun. So the way we're going to create a password is an adjective, then a noun, and then we're just going to combine them together using a with a number and a punctuation, and then this is going to use to create your password. So first you got to create the list where it's going to be randomly picked out of the password that you're making. So it's going to be adjectives is equals to, and then you just make a list of adjectives. It can be 15, 5, whatever you want. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna skip out of this real quick so you guys can see all the passwords I've made, the list I've made, sorry, and you can just see that. And in 5 4 3 2 1, and here I am. So right now, as you can see, I have all the adjectives and nouns here, and just take a look at it. You can copy it if you want to. I used a random number generator, not a random number generator, random adjective generator, and the same for nouns. I'll keep the website's link in the description below. Ma'am, just put this here. And then after this, what I'm going to do is do the randomization stuff. So what we have to do for that is write the variable's name. For this case, it's adjectives and nouns. So adjectives is equals to random dot choice, and then the variable's name where you want to store that. Okay, so it's going to be adjectives itself. Adjectives. The same would be for the nouns. I'll keep a space in between to make it cleaner. And nouns, nouns. Then after that, what you have to do is put a number and a punctuation. And by the way, guys, this is all optional. You can remove the number and punctuation if you want. You can remove the punctuation. You, as you go on later, you can increase which number you want, like maybe 500 to 0 to a million, whatever you want. Okay, so now it's gonna be number is equals to random dot rand range, um, from whatever you want from 0 to 500, like I said. So it's going to decide the number, by the way. So it's going to be 0 to 500. And then it's going to be our punctuation. So it's going to be char, short for character, is equals to random dot choice string dot string dot punctuation. So it's gonna get a punctuation. So then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add them all up like a subway or a sandwich. Which is gonna be p a pass password is equals to, and we're gonna add all of these, the adjectives, the nouns, the number, and the character. It's gonna be password is equals to um adjectives plus nouns plus number plus char. So right now for number, what we're gonna do is this string dot number, and I think we're pretty much ready. And the last one's gonna be where you print out the password. Print in Python, if you're not watched other of my my other videos, means to put it to display it on the screen. So it's gonna be print, and don't put these things, guys. Okay, this thing means for text. Okay, and if you want to write text, it's gonna print text on the screen. But if you want to write variables, which is password, you have to write it cleanly without any this stuff. Okay, password, yeah, good. And it's done. Let's run it now. Okay, I'll name it as password maker, and I'll just put it in desktop. It says invalid syntax. So sorry guys, this thing here is supposed to be like this. Yeah, I must have done function. So that's not the right spelling. The right spelling is T-U-A. Okay, good. Now we can run it and it should work. Here we go. So it's going to be Pleasant Town 240 and a full stop. And just run it again. Obvious YouTube 498%. And a module. Emotional flash 165, and then that thingy, the multiplied sign in Boolean. So I guess this is it for now, guys. Bye. And you guys can buy this book, Computer Coding Python Projects for Kids. I mean, I know it's for kids and I'm a grown teenager, but this is pretty good, and I'm pretty sure it's not for kids. And it has like small pictures for kids and all that, but still it has really good stuff which is really good for Python. And this is by a person called Carol. I'm sorry if I'm butchering the name, but Carol Waterman. Waterman. That Wakandian accent was really bad. You can see the book. Okay, just look at the name if I'm saying it wrongly, if that's a word. Just look at it. Yeah, and this is not a sponsored video. I'm just helping out you guys. Okay, I'm pretty sure this will get taken down, and I have to re-upload it. How am I talking like this? I would have to re-upload it, but whatevs, I don't care. So I guess this is the end for now. So move on to the outro. Wait a second, I need this. Bye, bye.